Does the water in your toilet, shower, tub, or kitchen sink not drain correctly? There could be an obstruction or clog in your drainage system. At my Calgary Plumber, we understand the inconvenience and frustration of clogged kitchen, toilet, or shower drains. Our skilled team is ready to tackle any blockage efficiently. Our residential drain cleaning in Calgary is designed to keep your plumbing running smoothly. We use advanced techniques and tools to ensure a thorough cleaning. From stubborn clogs to routine maintenance, we handle it all. Trust us to keep your home's drains clear and functional. We offer fast and reliable service, minimizing any downtime in your home. Your satisfaction and comfort are our top priorities. A group of skilled drain cleaners is prepared to clear any obstruction in your drain. We are committed to providing top-notch service to our Calgary customers. We take pride in our prompt response times and professional service. You can count on us to be there when you need us most. Regular drain cleaning can prevent major plumbing issues down the line. Let us help you maintain a healthy plumbing system. For reliable residential drain cleaning in Calgary, choose my Calgary Plumber. Call us at 587-707-0606 or visit our website at mycalgaryplumber.ca/drain-services/drain-cleaning. My Calgary Plumber, your trusted partner for a clean and clear home.